Hi guys, I have a problem here for you where we have a pyramid and we want to find the volume of this pyramid. So first I'm going to start off by writing the volume formula. V equals 1/3 area of the base times height. But when I'm doing volume of a pyramid, the height that I need to use is the height that starts at the apex of my pyramid and drops down and is perpendicular with my base. Notice in this image, the height we were provided was the slant height, which I use in my lateral surface area formula. It's the variable L, but that is not the height that I need to find the volume. And so I want you to imagine that I'm actually creating a right triangle with the slant height, the height that I need to use for the volume formula, and let's just connect this leg here. And notice this leg is just half the length of this side. So I'm going to label that 5. I can use Pythagorean theorem to solve for the missing leg, which will be the height that I need to use in this formula. So I can use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Notice our slant height is across from our right angle, so that's the hypotenuse. And 5 will be one of my legs. So 5 squared plus the height that I'm missing squared equals 13 squared. I'm going to open up my calculator. We're going to solve for this missing leg. And I'm just going to do it all at once. So I'm going to do the square root of 13 squared minus the 5 squared. And remember, I'm subtracting here because we have a missing leg. And to get that variable b alone, I would have to subtract 5 squared from both sides. And then in the end, to get just b from b squared, we take the square root. So that's why I combined it all at once in this step here to get 12 for the missing leg of this right triangle. So now that I have 12 for that missing leg, that's that height that we need for this formula. So I'll write down that h equals 12. So I remember to plug it in. But I also need uppercase B, which is area of the base. This base is a square because it's a square pyramid. And so I'm just going to do length times width. Squares have all the same sides, so 10 times 10, which gives me 100 for the area of this square base. So now we plug it all in. 1/3 of the area of the base, 100, times the height of 12. Let's put it all into our calculator again. So this time 1/3 times my area of the base of 100 times my height of 12 that we got using Pythagorean theorem, and we get 400 for the volume of this square pyramid. So 400, my units are feet, and it's cubed because it's volume.